Hello, College Park Cougars. Welcome back. Today we're going to work on the gray bird words. Take a look at some of these gray bird words. You might know a few of them, but also notice the ones that you're not familiar with yet. Those are the words you're really going to want to focus on when we review these words today. Here, let's get started. Our first word has two sounds. Were. For example, where were you going yesterday after school? The word is were. Now let's practice were together. Read were. Sound were. Were. Your turn. Spell were. W-E-R-E, were. Your turn. Read were 2 times. Were. The word is were. Our next word also has 2 sounds. And O-U-R together says or. Or for, like the number 4. For example, a square has 4 sides. Again, it's the number 4. Let's practice 4 together. Ready? Read 4. Sound 4. Or 4. Your turn. Spell for. F-O-U-R, for. Your turn. Read 4 2 times. 4. And this is the number 4. The next word we will read also has 2 sounds. N and EW, as you see here, works together to make the sound oo. Ooh, new. For example, do you like my new jacket? New. This new is like brand new, not the new that is I knew. The word is new. Read new. Sound new. Ooh, new. Your turn. Spell new. N-E-W, new. Your turn. Read new 2 times. New. New. The word is new, like brand new. Our next word also has the oo sound in it, but it's spelled with 2 O's in the word soon. Soon. For example, the football game starts soon. The word is soon. Let's practice soon together. Don't forget, this sound says ooh. Read soon. Sound soon. 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 Your turn. Spell soon. S-O-O-N, soon. Your turn. Read soon 2 times. Soon. Soon. The word is soon. Our next word that we will practice has just a few sounds. It looks like a big word, but you can do it. Believe in yourself. The only tricky part of this word is that the AU here says and the E says E. I like to think of this word in 2 parts. I first think of this part. That part says B. E, B. Now let's look at the second part of the word. K, us, cuz. When we put our two parts together, it says be, cuz, because. For example, we will have indoor recess because it is raining. Because. Let's practice this big word. We can do it. Remember, the E makes no sound. Ready? Let's read because. Sound because. B, E, K, us. Because. Your turn. Spell because. B, E, C, A, U, S, E. Because. Your turn. Read because 2 times. Because, because. The word is because. Our next word has 3 sounds, and it's a pattern word, which means we will see other words like it. This pattern right here makes the one sound of O-U-L makes in the word could. For example, we could go to the park after school. Could. Let's practice could together. Remember, this O-U-L says one sound. Read could. Sound could. 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 Your turn. Spell could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Your turn. Read could 2 times. Could, could. The word is could. Like I said, could is a pattern word. It has some other words that look very similar that we just changed the first sound. We have that sound again, but now we have would. For example, would you like some juice with your snack? Would. This is not wood like the wood that comes from trees. This is would as in would you rather. Let's practice would. Read would. Sound would. 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 Your turn. Spell would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Your turn. Read would 2 times. Would, would. The word is would. And our last pattern with that same sound of is the word should. Should. For example, you should see the new movie. It was great. Should. Let's practice should together. Remember that O-U-L team says Read should. Sound should. 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 Your turn. Spell should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Your turn. Read should 2 times. The word is should. The next 2 words also have the same pattern. They have an A-L in them that says ah. For example, walk, walk. For example, I walk to school with my friends. Walk. So remember, AL is working together to say ah. Read walk. Sound walk. Walk. Your turn. Spell walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Your turn. Read walk 2 times. Walk, walk. The word is walk. Like I said, walk has a pattern, and this is another word that has that same pattern. Again, this AL is going to say ah in the word talk. For example, can't the baby talk yet? Talk. Let's practice talk together. Remember, this says ah. Read talk. Sound talk. Talk. Your turn. Spell talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Your turn. Read talk 2 times. The word is talk. That was it for all of the gray bird words. Now I'm going to mix them up, and let's see if you can beat me and read the words before I can read them. Let's see what we can do here. Let's try it out. Could. Soon. Talk. Would. Because. For. Should. Were. Knew. Walk. Great job practicing the gray bird words. Keep practicing until you have them fast and fluent. See you next time.